Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lucid Venom here, and a lot of you have been requesting, what it looks like to show you how-tos on the cheap PCM. Well, here we go. This is your PCM out of a 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. And there we go. This is what it looks like without the top. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to set it down, and as you can see, you have two Allen heads right there and there, and then you're going to have to pry this off, making sure that you don't rip any of the internals out. And once you get it off, this is your problem area right here. These, as you can see, I've soldered one, and these points in here are your problem area, and then this in here is what it should look like. You have all your prongs in there, and these are where your plugs go. Make sure you clean them real good. And yeah, so there you go. A little bit of soldering on these points. Make sure you check them with a multimeter, and a piece strong enough and thin enough to go in these holes. Check for connectivity, and that's about it. So till next time, guys. Later.